And this is Kaiser. We're back with Experiential Learning.
Today we are doing the iron pepper shaker. The ingredients that you need, or the things that you need, is a candle, a miner stand to hold up the candle, a sort of plate, small iron filings, and a lighter.
And why it's going to be a shorter video than usual. It's only because not all cool science experiments have to be like crazy long, just to make them really cool.
This is a very cool science experiment, so let's get into it. First, you light the candle. Would you like to do the honors?
No, thank you.
Okay.
And then, that really only takes 2 steps. And then you shake the pepper shaker onto the top. And voila.
The iron is burning up inside of the flame to produce really cool effects as the iron is burning off. It's the same sort of effect that happens with steel wool.
Today we're going to do the fuel experiment. It's called color changing flames. The first thing you're going to need is the tin fuel and a plate. We use our
Metal contraption, and you can have copper powder, zinc powder, you can use iron powder or almost any metal as well, and we have some solid fuel to get a fire going. So we have a small pile of solid fuel here.
Then you light the stick just until it gets nice and toasty. That's cool, did you see that? And then you have to put it on it for a little bit to make it work, but it's really cool once it starts going. You wait till it gets a little bit better, like a kind of a roaring flame, and then you put a little on.
Zinc makes a bluish color, and copper makes a beautiful green.
It's actually really fun to do it, and you can reuse it by just dumping it back in.
And you can make your own colors or combine them together. Going big.
Oh yeah, go bigger, go, ow, ow, my finger.
That's more zinc burning, not fuel anymore.
I do thought I was almost out. I'm more, you try to get, oh, I got it.
How does yours hold so much? It's like the bottle side.
Well, that's it for this experiment. Today we're going to do a MEL Chemistry experiment called Egyptian Night, and the ingredients are...
All right, you need a beaker, hot water, an Erlenmeyer flask, cold water, a small plastic cup. We have starch. We have sodium hydrogen sulfate. We have sodium thiosulfate and potassium iodine. Next is your spoonful, your 2-sided spoon that comes with MEL Chemistry, a wooden simple stir stick, one of these, and hydrogen peroxide. All right, the
first step is you take the starch, and you need 1 cup of starch inside of your cup. It's a big spoon of starch. And this stuff is a little stubborn, so you have to get your back into it. Okay, once that is in, you need 10 milliliters of cold water. And since this is only a 6 millimeter one, we have to do a full one and then a form.
All right, now that the 10 milliliters are in, we need to add the hot water. Just a bit of hot water. Sorry, spills.
And then we need to, now we stir it all together.
For 2 minutes. See you once it's done.
And now that we're going to add the sodium hydrogen into here. We only need 10 drops.
9, 10.
I did a little extra by accident. And now we just squirt all this in.
That is 10 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide.
Then we have to quickly pour it into here. And the first time I did this experiment, I didn't know if it would work very well, but it just takes a while to stir. And right once you lose your faith, it'll change. There it starts going.
There it changes.
And the more you stir, the darker it'll get.
All right, I'll be honest, I actually did lose faith with it going, but it changed.
Precisely. That's kind of, I think, what it's supposed to do. Then once it's all stirred together, this is quite toxic. It cannot go down the sink at all.
Because it has diiodine particles from the potassium iodine that we added.
So now what you do is to dilute it. You take the yellow, which is sodium thiosulfate, and you take 2 big spoons of it and place it inside of the partly toxic solution that will eat away your drain. 1, 2, and you can already tell it's starting to dilute it. And once you stir it together, it's safe to go down the drain. It's because it equalizes it. So then, it's perfectly safe. I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye!